Shwa bangin sedang ya ke kubor, ni kerpa di pigi nongpek, ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, pen yo kloy ki kubor na ke jylla. Haka arpun riu tarik u Risaw arhajar arpu U Myntri Rangbah ke jylla Meghalaya Conrad K Sangma u Leit ban Jurip ya ke jingtei jong ke Shillong Government College of Engineering Mawlai. Leit ban ya synran lang u de ki ophisar ke tnat pule puthi ke sorkar ki enjiniar bat kiwei. Ya katei ke kolej khmih lynti ba on shen iathuh U Myntri Rangbah ke jylla. Kajuh ke sngi Conrad Sangma Leit ban Jurip ya ke jingtei penbahai ke cancer wing Civil Hospital Shillong bat katei ke jinglet ke jong ulayoru ban ya kren ba kinongpang ban ai mensiamiki bakin nang yo bor hadin bakila Leit ban jyingsumar katei ke jaka. Habakren hakilat pathai kubor U Myntri Rangbah iathuh ba ke jingtei penbahai katei ke jaka ai.jingsumar kalanang ya chakmat bat ukermen ru bahaka tayo ka baningkong jong ubenai no pra arhajar arpu on sela ban pendan kamno ya katei ke benta jong ka hospital ban ai.jingsumar ki briu ki bayo ya ke jingpang bampong.
You tell them that in 2 weeks time.
I think after you can say Shillong.
So we have enough time.
Yeah.
In 2 weeks time. Makes more sense. I mean, all are required, but Maharashtra is required. Okay. That will have to maintain also. Girls hostel. That is going to be used for also the games, but they will be used for police officials and all.
That is for police and the other one is for. That's what I've been told, sir.
I'll take it into They also found part of the treatment. This space is not enough. Especially for the patients on the side, it's not managing bad. Push up, tell them to do clear night also. Okay.
Most of the patients actually are from far off place. So like he's undergoing revision now, but they're from very far. They can't come and be care, so we admit them for the whole 1.5 months, 2 months they stay in the hospital.
Came to the cancer wing of the Civil Hospital here in Shillong to see the work going on in the cancer wing. So, as you're aware that during the COVID time, this was also used as a COVID center, and so certain things had to be changed and overall improvement had to be made. So I am happy to see that a lot of progress has been made. And we are hopeful that by the end of the month or by the first week of December, the entire civil work that is required to make this functional will be complete. Of course, the equipments, the new equipments will take some more time to come because it's being done through a different process. But in the meantime, at least the facilities, other facilities, the different wards for female and male wards and the daycare wards, they will be ready, and hence it will be ready to be used, while we can still continue using the machines that were there earlier till the new machines come. So we're happy to see that it's progressing fast, and we should be able to make it fully 100% functional by the first week or second week of December.